Alright. Today is the day whereby I go for the inspection for the Aston. Haven't done it, and yep, get it inspected, and I hope it passed because everything works in this car. Touch wood. Oh, no wood. Okay, got piano black wood. Alright. So, get this car inspected, and then today to basically the information that is needed for the RS6 from the grant of the car. I did not bring it the other day, so today I brought it together, and go and get that done, get this inspected, get everything done. I'm not sure if this car would get it, because I mean the extended warranty is made more for mesra rakyat cars in a way. Sometimes these kind of cars would cost too much to warrant against, so they might be hesitant to take this. Nonetheless, just go there. Cheers. That is HP's car. Did the service and all that, and that's my Aston going through the detailed inspection. I haven't done it previously, so now it's going through it. Should be alright, I guess. Everything should be pretty fine. It's just up to, at the end, whether they are willing to provide me with an extended warranty lah, right? And of course, expected is gonna be expensive, but at least some form of, warranty. Just love the color, man. Look at the color. Look at the way the paint works. And thank you to Auto Detailer for doing the paint correction. It's just so nice. Lovely. Yep. So it's not just one inspection center, right? Out of our network of 78 workshops, 47 of them are big like this, can serve as the inspection center. That's the lovely V12 engine. Again, all the Aston badges, they are made by a jeweler, basically a jewelry shop in UK that makes the badges for them, and then sent over to Aston, and then they fit it onto the cars. Right. Lovely construction. So as you can see, that's where the front wheels are. So most of the banks are behind the front axle. Even though this is a large engine bay, but actually it's alright. This part is mostly just for breathing, right? The intakes, there is a huge room from here to here, and the engine sits at the back. So technically speaking, this might be large enough to fit a W16, but that's where the block ends. and that's where the sloping starts, right? And the Rapide S, the engine actually sits a lot lower than the Rapide. Yeah. Alright, they're gonna go through the inspection, and where's HP's car? It's Lexus IS. I think they did the alignment or something, so they went out and get it checked. So that's the car coming back. Right. Lovely condition. It's a bit dirty now because it's been raining, drizzling and all that. And they're having some constructions going on, so they'll be dusty. Anyway. Yeah. Look at the bonnet, as if there's a bulge already. This is like the ISF, right? Except without a white body. But it's a good looking car, very, very good looking car. The exterior looks a lot sportier than the interior. The interior looks straight up Camry, but the exterior looks very, very exciting. Alright, so once they're done with the inspection, and I'm gonna get moving. It's gonna rain. Yep. Happy. Cheers. So they are now going through the diagnostic process to just to check for any fault codes. Okay, let me run through the process again, the whole process, right? So when you want to buy, okay, not when you want to buy. Let's say you have a used car, right? That is less than 8 years old. If your used car is less than 8 years old, you will be eligible to get an extended warranty if you join Evoclub. Joining Evoclub is free. It's club.evomalaysia.com to join Evoclub Malaysia. So when you join the club, you will see that down there is an extended warranty. So how do you get the whole process? First off, if your car by age is eligible, and then by the make and model, if you scroll through the page, then you will see the make and model, and if you are eligible, then you can try and arrange for an inspection. Okay, let's say the prices for extended warranty, it ranges anywhere from 1,002 to 2,007, even 3,000 plus, depending on car models. All right, so what you get is 1 year of warranty, and then per claim limit of 7,500 ringgit, and then your annual claim limit is 40,000. All right, so the whole process would be, you click on it and then you book for an inspection slot, right? The booking fee is not just the cost of inspection. The booking fee is 450 ringgit. 450 ringgit is the balance will be offset from your warranty package. And if you pass your inspection will be free because you are purchasing the extended warranty, right? So once you book your slot, then you will get your slot to do the inspection. And then you come to a place like this, depending on where conveniences you, right? Because we have 47 inspection centers nationwide, so you can go to the one that you prefer. We have all the list in the website. Everything is listed there. There's Google Maps and Waze. If you click Google Maps, you can see the review of that workshop or inspection center. Then you can go there and get your car inspected, go through a process like this. Once the process is done, they will tell whether, they will not telling you, basically telling the extended warranty partner whether your car pass or fail inspection. So if your car passes, you will be eligible to purchase. If your car did not pass the inspection, you will be refunded 350 ringgit. That means 100 ringgit will be deducted for the inspection fee. Okay? So that's inspection fee actually ranges about, some places they charge 120, some places they charge 180. It is highly dependent. Alright, let's say you pass your inspection, but then you decided to not buy the extended warranty. Your initial 450 will only be refunded 300. So 150 is the actual cost of the inspection. If you fail your inspection, of course you will get a bit of a discount. Only 100 will be deducted and 300 will be refunded to you. But if you fail your inspection and you want the extended warranty, the workshop will actually recommend you what you need to fix. It's up to you whether you want to fix it here, the place you did your inspection, or you can go to your own mechanic and get it fixed and come for the inspection again, right? So once you're okay to go, your car passes, then what you would do is that you will come back and pay the remaining balance of the warranty cost for your make and model. So that is the whole process, and then after that you will get a booklet like this. Right? You will get a booklet from our partner. Right? So some will ask, why can't I just buy directly? Now, these extended warranty partners, they don't offer extended warranty for individual customers out there. They only deal with dealership groups. Let's say there's a big dealership that sells recon cars, or a big dealership that sells used cars, right? So what they do is that they only supply by mass to the dealership itself. That means the whole dealership, all their cars are covered with extended warranty by this partner. They don't sell to individual outsiders. So this is something that we actually fought for you guys. Basically, under Evoclub, you join Evoclub, you get your car inspected, and then they are willing to offer case-to-case basis per car, right? So this morning, an M3 just got inspected and passed the inspection, and he will be given a quote. Why? Because an M3 is not in the usual list of cars that they offer extended warranty. They only offer the normal 3 series, right? The 2-liter engines, the normal 320i, 328i. So an M3 is not within that. But if the car's condition is really good and the owner is agreeable to the price quotation, well, all these are risk factor, right? Because they themselves are backed by RHB insurance. So in a way, you're sort of purchasing an insurance to hedge against any breakdowns, right? So that's the whole process. And some people will ask, why are they not replacing new parts for me? Hey, your car is not new, right? This is a warranty provided for used cars. What are used cars? Used cars are like that. That's used cars, right? You can't expect a used part that goes broke to be replaced by a new part, right? But of course there's a claim limit, and it's not that they are out there to find you used parts so that you break down again and again. They have to pay the workshops because it's not the single entity, right? These are independent entities, right? So that's roughly the process of dealing with the extended warranty, right? Get your car in, get inspected, a full inspection, whether it pass or fail, and then if it passes, then you are eligible to pay the remaining sum to get your warranty, and then you'll be protected for 1 year, and then you have a service center network of 78 service centers across the country. That means, let's say you got your extended warranty from here, but then you are posted to Penang. Don't worry, there are workshops there that when you service your car, your warranty won't be voided, because they need to have a basic QC in terms of who fiddles with your car. So there are 78 workshops that qualify, that are known to be, reputable, that can conduct the job properly, so that the warranty stays alive. So another thing would be, every year you are required to make 2 visits, minimum 2 visits to the service centers to make sure your car is in good condition, so that you will be able to renew your warranty next time. If you are a customer who always claims things, you have very high requirement, or your car has some lemon and all that, then maybe they might not renew it. I'm not sure. Alright, so that's roughly how it is. Yeah, so they're now going for a short drive to see how the suspension feels and all that, and of course I don't feel comfortable with it, but no choice. No choice, right? Yep, that's about it.